hungry? Okay. Come on. Kiss. You give me your big hug. Oh, goodness. Kiss. I love you. Good morning. You gonna go eat some breakfast? That is so wild.
Isn't it? And it's still snowing.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Oakley, if you were here, we would play in all this snow.
Oh,
We would go out there for a minute.
Okay, so I got my vlog done. It's uploading right now. Oakley is still sleeping. It's 1:40, but guess what I got? 2 Amazon packages. I cannot show exactly what this is, but it is for Dirty Santa and it is going to be hilarious, but I can't show. Okay. And then I also bought a dupe for the Lululemon fanny pack in this like creamy color as a gift for somebody. I think I actually want this for myself. I love the color. And it has the same back pocket that the Lulu one has. Amazing. And the same inside little pockets. Literally the only thing it doesn't have is the little Lulu thing. And I literally love this color. I should have bought 2. This is a gift, but I cannot say for whom. But yeah, I'm just sitting here watching a vlog. I'm actually about to fall asleep until I heard the knock on the door. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna take a nap. Also, I don't know if I said it. Yes, this is my 3rd time wearing this. This morning when I woke up, Darius was still asleep and I walked out and I didn't grab any clothes, and this was hanging up in the laundry to dry, so it was dried, so I just grabbed it and put it on. I think I'm gonna order the gray and the, like, I think it's like apricot. My goodness, it's like the same color as this. Yeah, I love it. Great, easy staple, and I need more colors of it. Let's play peekaboo. Come on, let's play peekaboo. Okay. Here you go. Come here. Okay. I'll hide. Where is Oakley? Where is Oakley? Okay. Okay, ready? Hold on. Okay, here you go. Peekaboo! Hi, bye! Where are you going? Huh? Kiss? Peekaboo! Have to do this clip a little quick because we are watching Finding Dory about to prep the potatoes for dinner because they take a little bit longer. It's 4:50. Darius won't be home for a while, but they'll literally cook for like 45 minutes. Just wanted to preface before anyone says anything, they have indeed been washed. Okay? Okay. What are you knocking over?
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Another quick clip because we're playing Dory. We are going to have turkey sausage tonight for dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that cut up and start cooking it. I will be doing 2 packs of it. Okay, so now in the background, I have Tangled playing, but I cooked them for 40 minutes on 425, and then I broiled them for 3. I would have done 5. I've just kind of burnt them before, but they are so perfect. Sorry, I was using my phone flashlight, but they are looking so yummy. Oh, goodness. You're welcome. We're gonna scare Daddy. He's here.
Daddy, Daddy.
Sit. Stay. Stay. Mommy's good with these hiding spots. It's somewhere different every time. You do so good staying quiet.
We got Daddy.
Oh. Hey, no bites.
We got Daddy.
Stay.
Okay, I've been working with Zeal today on a new trick. Let's see if he does it. No, sir. No. Come here. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, that's so good. Okay. It's snowing. Yes. We are out at Target. It is like 8:30. We fell asleep in the car. And We still have Christmas gifts to get, but we think everything will be closed tomorrow. No.
Do I have the keys?
I don't know. I don't have them. Oh. This random car. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't have your keys. These carts were rolling towards cars.
Literally, they're rolling towards cars then?
Yeah, they were, but they're soaked. Nobody wants a wet cart. Why didn't we get a cart?
Look at her. All those carts are wet, dude.
Yeah. My goodness.
Look at the side of her face. Look at the side of her face.
I can't even, my camera's like, oh, what are you doing? Turn the other way.
She is not. I don't know if it's from the sugar or not, or if it's from the, like, actually eating it.
She hasn't
She
flinched.
doesn't know either.
But how did we both flinch and she hasn't?
Well, because we ate it, actually. She's just looking at it. Or she's just tougher than us. That's a big possibility.
Okay, no.
It's eating it.
Yeah. Oh my.
It's like a triple tingle. It's like that Peter tingle.
I got fuzz of my scarf in my mouth. We cracked open some sour strips and they are true to their name. Whew.
Comment down below if you eat snacks before you actually buy them also. Yes, we buy them, but we eat them before.
Can you hold that? There's fuzz all over this and I keep eating it.
Last minute Christmas shopping.
Oh, Dad, she wants to hand it to you.
Oakley's done with her sour strip. I'm gonna eat it.
You're welcome.
It's super sour. As a first hit, and then second hit. Good.
We can't open
Yeah.
this yet.
Good. Can you see those guys? You can't because it's blurry. What else do we need to get? Scarf? Where's the scarf at? Oh, she already knows. I am buying her Christmas gifts that she picked out because I needed like one extra thing to make sure that I had enough. So yeah. Your camera is mad dirty.
I know. Okay. He's going to get the car for us. And not that I want to get copyrighted, but it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Hey, you need to put your hat back on. Look what he bought. Why? You have to wear that. It's cold. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Leave your hat on, please. Can you say hi? So we're home, and I'm gonna give you a quick Target haul. We got some baby wipes to start off with, so we'll sit on those. We got her these, and she's going to absolutely love them. For Bubs, he got some new tennis balls. I bought 4 poppies. I got the cherry limeade flavor again, orange strawberry lemonade, and raspberry rose. Mom, Grammy, Haley, if you're watching, please stop. Olivia, also, please stop watching. Okay?
You weren't about to tell them what you got now.
Why? Well, these aren't their big gifts.
Okay.
They're just additives. But I don't want them to see. So, for part of my mom's addition to her gift, I got her the Alani Nu Dream Float. She loves this one. For my sister, part of her gift, I got her all pink Starburst. And for my Grammy, she loves these, the pull apart ones in particular. Oh, darn. I should have got Aunt May red vines. Babe, we also didn't get gifts for when we go to Santa and Olivia's house, and I specifically said we needed to do that.
What, drinks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I said that standing in the drink section.
I know, we didn't get it. L.
Major
Go
L.
back to the gas station or something.
And then
They get like a food at the gas station.
for Oakley, we got some. This is just not for Christmas, but she loves these still. So we got sweet potato vanilla and blueberry. Sit down, please.
Please, thank you.
And then we got these. Tried them in stores. Super sour.
Hey, no.
And the original
No.
outfit that I wanted to get for Tatum,
No.
it
No.
just didn't work out. And Target doesn't have the cutest boy clothes, but I was not gonna not get him anything. Worst case scenario is I just
Easy.
probably will just get him a different gift later. But these were the two cutest things at Target. This little outfit, I thought it was decent. And then I thought this was so cute. It's a little boy bathrobe. And it has a hood. I think it's so cute.
a lot of these around all the time now.
And then for some reason, Darius found this extremely comical to buy. Liquid Death. It
Tell her we're
is
bringing it.
mango chainsaw sparkling water. I'm not a big sparkling water fan,
Me neither.
but you know, we bought a, how many is it, 12 pack.
Tell her where we're bringing it. Or tell them where we're bringing it.
You tell him.
I wanted to get it because we're gonna. Hey, what are you doing over there? I wanted to bring it to her grandma's house. Her Grammy.
He thinks it's
How
gonna
funny
be
would that
funny.
be? She'll think it's alcohol. No.
But that's all. We're home. We're gonna eat dinner. We're gonna watch Santa Claus 3. I hope you enjoyed today's Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas Day 23. By the time you're watching this, or this goes up 2 days.
Stop, dude.
2 days till Christmas. I can't believe it. Also, I'm kind of hoping that work gets canceled on Saturday, but we'll see. Anyways, that is all. We love you. Jesus loves you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Little kisses. Say Jesus loves you.